Oh yeah, round two. Chris facing his next opponent. You could only think that he is shaking at the knees in fear of Chris, because how he dominated his last guy was just simply amazing. I don't know how else to describe it. It was simply amazing. Chris showing no signs of nervousness. Fixing his gi up a little bit. Wants to look respectful. Ooh, bows his head there. Let's go. And it begins. He's got the hold. Ooh, he's tugging a little bit. Wants to intimidate Chris, but Chris won't let it happen. Oh, he's a red belt, Chris. Watch out. Oh, snap. What kind of move is that, crab? I didn't expect that to happen, did he? Frick. That's a couple points. Kind of lured him to sleep there, and then it just exploded with that takedown. Okay, Chris is trying to get some points. It's a nice try, but I'm not worried though. Are you worried? I'm not worried. Oh, frick, I'm a little worried now. Oh my goodness. He did not expect this of it. It's okay. He's got control. He's got control. There might be more points on red belt's part, but let's see, Chris needs to wait till he expends all his energy. Yeah, it's 5-0. He's gonna have to tap him out. He's got it. He's a little tired. It's okay. He's faced harder opponents. This is nothing. He's faced me. I'm 20 times better than this guy. Oh crap. Oh frick. Chris, no, don't let him do it. Ah! Good. It's okay. That's the true runner right there. He's the true runner. This guy. Right here. That's my bro. That's my bro. There he is. Tell him what he did wrong, Professor. Can we zoom in? We can't zoom in? Come on.
Let's go, Paul.
That was illegal play. That wasn't even a move. Give him some advice. Well, I mean, he caught me off guard with that single arm throw. Spinning move, crab. What is that? It's not even jiu-jitsu. It's not even jiu-jitsu. What the heck? So next time, you just can't let him spin around in 30 like that, says Professor. And I got it, says Chris. I mean, I was going to do the same thing to him, but he did it first, says Chris. We got to do it first next time, says Professor. Got it. Hey, good job out there, says John. Yeah, I know, I got it. I mean, you just caught me off guard. What can I say? Hey, you could say you could do better next time. Oh, okay. I'll do better next time. They're still talking. I can't think of any more fake words that I can give to their conversation. So I'm going to end the video.
Keep your head up, Paul. Keep your head
Peace
up.
out.